Welcome to this video. My name is Shivani Shankar Bhosle. Today we are learn curve tracing. Such guidelines for tracing of curve in Cartesian equation. First point is symmetry of the curve. If x occurs as an even function like x square, cos x, etc., then the curve is symmetrical about y-axis. For example, a square x square equal to y cube in bracket 2x minus y. If y occurs only as an even function, the curve is symmetric about x-axis. Example, y square equal to x square in bracket a plus x slash a minus x. Then if the equation of the curve remains unaltered when x and y are changed to x and y respectively, then our curve is symmetrical in opposite quadrants. Y a square plus x square equal to a square x is then if the equation to the curve remains unaltered when x and y are interchanged, then the curve is symmetrical about the line y equals to x, such x cube plus y cube equal to 3axy. Then our second point is curve passing through origin, yes or not. If x equal to 0 and y equals to 0 satisfies the equation of curve, then our origin lies on the curve. Then third point is tangent at origin. If the curve passes through the origin, the equations to the tangent at the origin are obtained by equating the lowest degree term in the equation to 0. Next, point of intersection of the curve. Obtain the coordinate 0, y and x, y. Then fifth point is our asymptotes. Tangents at infinity. Asymptotes parallel to x-axis then equate to 0 the coefficient of highest power of x in the equation provided this is not merely constant. Then asymptotes parallel to y-axis equate to 0 coefficient of highest power y finding in the equation providing this is not merely a constant. Then oblique asymptotes means y equal to mx plus c is the oblique asymptote. The values of m and c are obtained by putting x equal to 1 and y equal to m in the highest and the next the highest degree terms. Then our asymptote find. Then next is our sixth point, region of the curve. Solve for x or y, no portion of the curve exists in the region where either x or y is imaginary. So this is our guidelines for tracing of curve in Cartesian equation. So we will see our example of Cartesian equation finding all of the points: symmetry, curve passing through origin, tangents at origin, point of intersection of curve, asymptote, region of curve. When our curve passing origin or not origin. So finding all the points in above example. We will see examples.
Everyone, my name is Shivani Shankar Bhosle. Welcome to this my channel. Today is explaining the topic trace the curve in Cartesian equation. The example is y square 2a minus x equals to x cube. So firstly find out symmetry. So our power y is even. So always curve passes through x axis. Power of y is even. Everywhere curve is symmetric with x-axis. So our second point is finding origin. The origin satisfies equation of curve passing through origin. That's why x equal to 0 and y equals to 0. Our third point is finding tangent at origin. So our equation is y square 2a minus x equal to x cube. Y square in multiplication of matrix. Then multiply this equation. 2a y square minus xy square equal to x cube. The lowest degree term is this 2a y square equal to 0, y square equal to 0, then y equals to 0, then equation of tangent at origin y equals to 0. Then our fourth point is point of intersection. Then put y equal to 0 and x equal to 0. Then a 2ax equal to x cube, 0 equal to x cube, then x equal to 0. Then put x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, then y square 2a minus 0 equal to 0 cube, y square 2a minus 0 equal to 0 cube, then our y equals to 0. Then our fifth point is asymptote. X-axis, then x-axis is our null and y-axis equal to x equal to 2a is parallel. Then our region of absence curve is exist between x equal to 0 and x equal to 2a. Then our seventh point is trace the curve by graphically method. Then draw the x-axis and y-axis. Then y-axis and x-axis. Then put up the value x-axis and y-axis. A 2a, a minus 2a, then a 2a, a and minus 2a. Then our curve traces from origin is 0, then x equal to 2a parallel to our y-axis. X equal to 2a. Here find asymptote. Our tangent is y equal to 0. Here tangent at the pole y-axis. Then trace the curve infinity, y-axis and x-axis. Then our region of absence is here, and here present region of absence. Then finding our trace the curve. Thank you for watching this video.